To achieve climate neutrality necessitates a transformation in the way we generate our energy. In 2020, Scotland generated more than 97% of its electricity requirements from renewable sources. In Scotland, the most significant contribution to renewable energy is that of wind. Increasingly, offshore wind, generating over 3.5 terawatt hours of energy in 2020. The concept of a wind farm in Aberdeen Bay was that of the Aberdeen Renewable Energy Group in the early 2000s. In 2018, it was finally completed and the first electricity was generated. The 11 wind turbines are all within 3 kilometres of the coast. They, together with the oil supply boats and the harbour traffic and the city itself, are elements of the seascape of Aberdeen. The maintenance of the wind turbines also now forms part of the dynamics of the seascape. The turbines, together with other uses of the bay, such as the oil supply boats, provide backdrops to the coastal views. They also provide backdrops to other land uses, such as agriculture. And leisure and recreation facilities. And recreational uses of the bay itself. Our research was into public attitudes and perceptions towards renewable energy and the proposal for a wind farm in Aberdeen Bay. In particular, we were testing the factors that can influence the visual impacts of wind turbines and their contributions to the seascape. The research used the virtual landscape theatre, a virtual environment which provides a safe space for exploring alternative layouts of turbines and the influences of different environmental conditions. The theatre provides a controlled environment to test for the effects of factors such as the time of day and therefore the illumination of the turbines, the wind direction, therefore the angle of view of the blades, and the weather conditions. In our virtual reality model, we're able to take people to well-known viewpoints and show them simulations of the view under different environmental conditions, such as mist and haar or a clear, bright day. Our results showed a broadly positive opinion of the proposal for a wind farm for Aberdeen Bay. Slightly fewer turbines, a bit further offshore than proposed, a little bit further north than the middle of the bay, but providing a contribution to a vibrant and active offshore and seascape area around Aberdeen. We were also able to learn from people's feedback on the wind farm about where their concerns were greatest, where views might be highly impacted, and also where there might be opportunities created for better views of the wind farm and explanations of its purpose. The research activities provided forums for people to share opinions and knowledge about offshore wind energy, gain insights to the dimensions and logic behind the siting of wind turbines, and the structures and their features. Visiting sites on the structures and in places in the bay which would not otherwise be accessible. Our findings showed the attitudes of people towards the plan changing over that time period, from one of uncertainty, of curiosity as to why a wind farm in the bay, why the height of the turbines was as large as proposed, through to one of how Aberdeen was contributing to Scotland's targets for renewable energy and transition towards climate neutral future.